No, I honestly didn't have a girlfriend before. I didn't have like a girlfriend. Like I didn't have a missus. Never.
What did you have then? Supposed to do 100 dumplings for like 100 subscribers.
Yeah.
But like, let's look at our latest update. Give me your phone.
It's like about to die. But it's like 240 something.
Why don't you want to give it to me?
My phone?
Yeah.
Do you want to...
244.
Okay, so that definitely, like, I don't know who's watching, but that probably doesn't sound like a lot. And like, pretty much we're going to do a video today to celebrate 100 subscribers, but like obviously time went and we got a little bit more on like 244 now.
I honestly didn't think it'd pass.
Yeah, I honestly
like we said, oh, if we get to 100 we'll do a 100 dumpling challenge, but I didn't actually think we'd ever get to 100.
We didn't genuinely think
and
we'd
let
get
alone
it.
pass 100.
I honestly thought we'd get like 6 subs. Honestly.
I thought we were gonna get like 6 views and that.
We'll get 6 subs, my personal account, her personal account, my mum, my dad,
and my mum and dad.
and her mum and her dad. Nah, but honestly, like whoever you guys are, like that subscribed, honestly, thanks a lot. It means a lot. And now that we're at 244, like I feel like I'm famous or something. We're famous, yeah? 244.
We're so famous.
So we were gonna celebrate 100 subs by eating like 100 of something, and we thought like, what can we actually try, potentially fit 100 of in our mouths? And I thought like sushi, like nuggets, and I thought we already done nuggets. She didn't want sushi, so 100 dumplings, I think. Yeah, 100 dumplings.
We took your suggestions on board.
Yeah, a few people actually did say dumplings, so here we are. And enough chit chat because they're probably sick of my voice. Let's eat.
So we have vegetarian.
I don't know how to help. We're just finding an excuse to eat 100 dumplings, man. 100 subscribers, yeah? So you'd rather them see the dumplings than my face?
Yes. Did you?
5 minutes later.
Yeah, so the vegetarian is steamed, and the rest of them we got them pan fried. I think we'll be able to do it. Looking at that, I think we can do it.
Wow.
Guys, before we start, drop in the comments below if you think we're able to do it or not.
That's good.
Decent as, yeah?
That's so good.
For a vegetarian dumpling, that is decent. Bit of soy sauce.
That's really good. I honestly thought.
Which one is this?
Tastes like a vegetarian stir fry.
It does? It tastes really good.
Prawn dump.
It's so good. Chicken and prawn, yeah?
No, this smells like fish. This literally smells like fish.
That's chicken and prawn.
Yeah.
This is both.
Oh, it's a bit fork.
I reckon we can do this, man. I could eat this for ages.
Is that what I was doing? I'm eating it. Ladies first, always. That's what you taught me.
Wow, I'm like some gentleman, yeah? Tell the people, tell them. Tell them, say it.
You're such a gentleman.
Oh.
Yes. It's that good. I didn't have sriracha either.
No, okay. You want to ask each other questions?
Yeah.
What size shoe do I have?
13.
Sometimes it's 12. Doesn't even know my shoe, man.
Yeah, but
Sometimes it's 12. Man.
Okay, 12 and 13.
Yeah, you have to say it.
Okay, 12 and 13.
Thanks.
What's my shoe size?
6. I've bought you enough shoes. 6.
6 what? Like what 6?
No. Okay, 13 what?
In men's. US men's.
6 in US women's. Yes, that's right. Is it 6?
US women's? Where's the tag?
Oh my god, she always got to do this, man. You can, babe, just let me be right.
Okay.
Where was I born?
Emirat.
Yeah.
What about it?
Where in Emirat?
Where was I born?
In Melbourne.
Where in Melbourne?
Babe, Melbourne is the city. What city was I born in Emirat? This girl, man. But like, it's a little city called Al Ain. The real ones will know. See, of course I know where she's born. She doesn't even know where
Oh my
I'm
god,
born.
it's not that hard to guess Melbourne.
I was eating.
Next question.
My favorite color.
Baby blue.
Light blue. Gosh, you don't even
It's
know.
the same.
You don't even know, man.
It's the same.
You don't even know. It's light blue.
What's the difference between baby blue and light blue? Tell me.
What? Baby blue.
Light blue. It's the
Like the baby cut version of a blue.
It's the lighter color.
No,
of
my
blue.
favorite. No, actually, I take it back. My favorite color is aqua.
No, it's not.
That's light blue.
No, it's not. Ya Allah, come on. I'll show you after the video. What's my favorite color?
Pink.
No,
Get f-
it's not. It's actually not.
What is it?
Baby blue.
Why?
Because
Why, babe? Say it. Why is your favorite color baby blue? I'm not talking for the next 30 seconds. Why is your favorite color baby blue?
it's also your favorite color.
Why?
Because Manchester City.
Yeah, if you guys didn't know, we both go for Manchester City. La ilom. How many dumplings?
What do you mean? Like I'm slow eating.
Nah, enjoy it though. What's my favorite number?
10.
And yours is 10?
Yeah.
Sweet. The influence I have, yeah?
Thank-
Where did we meet?
At uni. Who approached who first?
You approached me. She approached me, guys.
Yeah.
She came, she's like, I just need to get to know you. And I was like, yeah, for sure. Like, if you want, like, I don't really care.
I don't really care.
But I'm just trying to look cool and stuff. Just go along with it. No, I approached her. She was like some glamour in like my anatomy class.
Do you have a girlfriend before me?
I was waiting patiently for you, Habibti. What? I was waiting patiently for her,
Patiently
man.
for me or patiently for like your future wife?
No, like you specifically.
How do you know it was me?
Allah had the plan for me and I knew it. No, I honestly didn't have a girlfriend before. I didn't have like a girlfriend. Like I didn't have a missus. Never.
What did you have then?
Like I have the boys. Like my parents. Like I have like some friends that I would classify as brothers.
What?
You know, I got my sisters. Yeah. Look. You look decent.
Decent, that's it.
At least you get a compliment.
So do you. You look decent.
Thanks, babe. I already knew you didn't have to tell me.
Just decent.
There's like, we're like at this park and like people are running.
We're eating.
People that. Babe, I was getting to it and you ruined the whole joke. We're gonna go get you perfume after.
Why? Because I smell.
I didn't say it. You did. Nah, you honestly smell good. Do you guys like know like pastrami? No,
Oh my.
I'm joking. Hey, babe.
How do you put all of it in one mouth? I can't.
That was easy.
The doggo's distracted me.
Babe, you gotta help me out.
You have to help me out.
I'm doing my part. Man, these dumplings are so dense, yeah? They're my dumplings.
Your dumplings. Your dumplings, hey?
Dude, I can't break.
That's how I eat. That's how I eat. Do you have a problem?
It's gonna get worse.
Yeah.
Did you see that? Job, yeah. Years later,
What's inflatable world? What's action indoor sport?
action indoor sports and inflatable world.
It's
Doncaster
the same
East.
thing.
Kamal
I-
speaking.
Question. Okay, I'm gonna ask you a question, right? And you're not gonna know the answer to it. You are not gonna be able to answer this.
Okay, ask me and
What's
test me.
the most? What's the most amount of cats I've had at one time?
9. 9. 9. Tell them if I'm right or wrong.
Wait.
Tell them if I'm right or wrong. Tell them if I'm. Guys, this is one of the first things she ever told me.
You're right.
This is one of the first things she ever told me.
Okay, tell me.
Yes.
You've actually seen it. There's one in my house on display. It's like,
Man, in high school, I used to try out for every single team just to get a day off.
chow time.
Yeah.
Long chow.
Yeah.
Isn't chemistry? It's like. Should we just?
Guys, I think I actually can't fit anymore. And like, this is not a testament to how much I can eat. I just feel like I had a partner that really wasn't helping me out. Come on, man. Tell them how much fun you had. Tell them you're joking. Tell them you're joking. Tell them you're joking.
I should do outro.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe and turn on the channel notifications. Close it.